Yeah, we are we are ready. We are motivated. We're ready to go tomorrow to make the country proud. Take our next step to the journey to the World Cup. Yeah, what we know, what we see, we have watched them the other day against El Salvador. You know, they're a spirited team. They have some component in their team where we start to stop and we use our strength against them. Yeah, each game is different, and we always prepare different for our opponent. So yes, we always have something special, always something in our arsenal coming for this game. We know it's a very important game, probably the most important game in the tournament thus far. No, we are at full complement. We're good on cards. Everybody eligible for play. Yeah, we have a little knocks and bruises, but nothing to stop the players from play. Come tomorrow. Just want to say thanks for the continued support. I mean, from parents and from well wishers and all the fans back home. I know that everybody excited, everybody want to see us do well, and likewise we want to make the country proud. So keep on and continue to cheer us and keep us in your prayers. And we thank you again. I look forward for the support from the nation.